If you have been struggling with opening paper accounts, you are not alone. Worry no more. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your working paper step by step from Nigeria. Make sure you do not skip any part of this video as for you to be able to get it once and for all. So if today is your first time of clicking this video, hi, my name is Abigail. Welcome to my channel. So guys, if you are here to subscribe to my channel before we move into the training, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please kindly like this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to your question. So let's get into the process. So the first thing, you come to your Chrome browser, you type paper.com/ls. So you're not going to use paper.com alone, but you're going to put /ls. So this one, when you use this one, is going to work perfectly. So once you are here on the website, you are going to click on sign up for free, which I'm going to do. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this interface, and here we are going to select business accounts. Do you understand? So once you click on business account, then you can click on what? Continue. All right, so let's wait. Okay, so we have to create our business account. So I'm going to click on my first name. So make sure the name you are putting is according to how your name is on your ID card. So my first name, then I'm going to put in my last name. That is what I'm trying to do. Then I'm going to enter my email address and my password. So let's just wait. All right, so once you are done, I've put my password. So make sure you are selecting, you can see, make sure your password contains uppercase, lowercase, and character. So at least 8 characters. So agree, then continue. Then come here. It says you should confirm our email. So they are going to send us code to our email. So I'm going to do that right now to confirm my email. So I have my phone on my email on my other phone. So I'm going to check for the code. So all right, I'm going to enter the code here now. Okay, so I've gotten the code, so I'm entering the code now. All right, so I'm going to enter the code. All right, so after then, I'm going to click on submit. 320 to 81. Okay, good. So you are all set. So let's just wait for a second. Okay, so before we continue, if you find this video helpful and valuable to you, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and please kindly like my video and give the video thumbs up. Let's continue. Yeah, activate your account to start using paper. So we'll guide you every step of the way. So enter info about your business organization. So let's go. So I'm going to choose individual or sole proprietor. Okay, I'm coming. We are going to choose individual, so you can either choose individual or sole proprietor. So here I'm going to click on register seller or sole proprietors. Then you click on business type. Here I'm going to choose private corporation, so I'm going to do that. All right, then I'm going to click on let's go. Okay, all right, so for the legal business name, I'm going to use Abistore. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to enter Abistore. So I'm going to enter the registration. So next we are asked to enter our business registration number. Now in case you don't have business, you don't have CAC, there's another alternative way. You can just go to Smeda. Smeda, let me just spell it SMEDAN. So that is an alternative way you can register your business on that website. It is free. So they are going to generate your business registration number for you. So it is free and easy. So, or you can just put random number there. Also, they will accept it. Just make sure that it's 11 digits number. Do you understand? So I'm using Smeda for this. All right, so after I've put my business registration number, then for the primary currency for my business is USD. So I'm going to leave it at USD. Then what do you sell, or what services do you offer? Here you have to pick product or services. Where I made a mistake, I skipped the part, but later on I did it. So make sure you check the category of what is your business phone number. So I'm done. My address. Okay, so we have city, town, village. So let's see if it's going to go. But here is asking us to fill in our first name, last name, our date of birth, then our address, our nationality, then to enter our number. So I'm going to do all that. Then my address. So I'm going to fill everything. So I'm trying to fill in my date of birth. So then my nationality, I'm going to fill in Nigeria. Then my phone number, I'm going to do that. So then I'm going to enter my address. Okay. So make sure that the address you are putting is also the same address on your utility bill in case you are asked to submit your utility bill. So I'm going to do that. Enter, put Nigeria. Okay. So I'm going to fill in my address. So I'm done with the filling. I'm done. So after filling it, I'm just going to click on create. So let me just put the address. Then I'm going to click on get payouts. So I'm done filling. Then just click on get PayPal payout. Then it's going to ask you for this. Just click on Nigeria. Okay. Then I'm going to click on submit. All right. So once we are done, all right. So it's going to ask us for our name, also our name and last name. Then we just click on submit. That's all. That's also we are set. So guys, oh yeah, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please guys kindly subscribe to my channel before we continue. Okay, so just click on that. So it will take us directly to our dashboard. So here we have, so we have created our PayPal account. So this is how the dashboard is. You can see that is in dollar. So to create our link, our payment link, the link we want to be sending to our, maybe to our customers that wants to pay directly to our dollar account, we can just click on create a PayPal link.
So we have PayPal.me to get a link. So whenever you want to receive payments, you just click on this. You can just come over to your dashboard. Okay, you can see it here. Create a payment link. So you can just write the name of the service, maybe just write anything. Client A. Then you put the price, probably $100. You click on build it. The link has been created. You're going to copy this link and send to whoever wants to send money to you through your PayPal. All right, so that is what.
So another way you can also create your PayPal payment link is just click on choose a way to integrate. So I'm going to do that. Then you come to set up PayPal links and buttons. So that's the second way. Then you just click on get started, and okay. All right, so it's going to take us to this page. So here we have so we can just click on payment link. So here is going to ask us to create a product, so we can just name our product anything. I will just put anything, a name, then put the price of the of maybe the amount you want to receive from the person, and you are good to go. So just click on create, then your paper, as you can see, so my paper link has been created. So that is how to create your paper link. So guys, see you in the next class.